Hey guys, what's up? So today is 19th of June and the stock which we are going to analyze is HDFC Bank. So this is the daily time frame of HDFC Bank, and what we can see here is on the daily time frame the stock was in a downtrend. Here it created its first bottom, again tried to move up, then came down, created the second bottom and gave the breakout of this neckline, and this is called as the double bottom pattern. Those of you don't know, double bottom pattern is a trend reversal pattern, and in the short term if we see that HDFC Bank was in a downtrend, and this can be considered as a trend reversal pattern, and the breakout was with a good green candle with a high volume, more than average volume, and now it is at the support zone, that is the neckline of the double bottom pattern. So this is the good thing. And now if we go to the 60 minutes time frame of HDFC Bank, what we can see here is HDFC Bank is trading in this channel pattern for quite a long time, and in the last session it gave a breakout as well. So you can see that HDFC Bank was trading is in this channel pattern. It gave a breakout as well in the last 1 hour, and now it is trying to move up. You can also see the volume of the green candles over here. The last 4 candles, the volumes are quite high, so we can see that there was a buying pressure in the last moment. And those of you in the last session the market was down approximately by 800 points to 900 points, then it again recovered. So that was a panic selling basically, guys. So you don't have to think about okay, the market is going to crash, so we don't have to buy any stock or anything like that, guys. We always, whenever we take a swing, we always work with a stop loss, and you don't have to worry if the stop loss is hit, because if you are maintaining a RR ratio more than 1 is to 1.5 or 1 is to 1 is to 2, then it is not an issue if once, twice or thrice your stop losses are hit. Okay, but we are continuing uh, considering the major trend, that is the uptrend of the stock. And here this is the channel pattern. This was the second thing. And the third thing, if from the last swing we apply the Fib tool from the last swing to the highest point, what we can see here is HDFC Bank has taken support exactly at the 0.5 levels. So guys, this is the importance of Fibonacci. If you once you come to know how to use Fib tool, you can easily determine that whether this is a retracement or whether this is a trend reversal. Okay, so 0.5 is considered to be a healthy retracement point, and from that point only the stock is going up. Okay, so here it has given a channel breakout pattern, so obviously we are not going to enter over here, so we will wait. If on the next session the stock comes down to this support level on the neckline and then again forms a green candle on a 1 hour time frame, that is when we are going to enter in this stock. Okay, so if we talk about the targets and the stop loss, guys, so on the daily time frame obviously our stop loss is going to be below this wick, that's around 1453 levels, and our first target will be this swing high, that's around 1530 levels. Okay, so that's going to be almost 1:2 RR ratio. And guys, what I feel is that HDFC should break this resistance level when it comes up. There is a high chance. I'll tell you why. Because the trend it is making, see, this HDFC Bank is making a good uptrend. So if it comes at this level, there is a high probability. One second, I'll just change the color. Yeah, so this HDFC Bank is making a good uptrend. So if this, if HDFC stock moves from here, there's a high probability that it is going to break this resistance level. So guys, what we have to be cautious about here, that once the stock reaches to the 1520 or 1525 levels, we have to trail our stop losses near to our cost, and that's because I'll tell you why. So if we consider the Fibo tool on the major trend, and if we see, if we connect from the highest to the lowest point, we can see that the stock took resistance exactly at the 618 levels. Okay, so now after 0.5 levels, the trend, there's a high possibility that it will break the 618 levels and again move up. So we have to be cautious that around the 681 levels, there's the 1525 levels. If the stock spends some time and then gives a breakout, then we can still be in the trade for the levels around 1580, and we can again see the all-time high of this stock as well. And obviously fundamentally HDFC Bank is a very good bank. It has recorded a revenue that is all-time high, and the stock is still trading at a discount, so that is also a thing to be considered. And one more thing, if you talk about stop loss, I'll just share uh, one thing with you. So in Grasim, the video I recently shared, and we had taken trade over here on the breakout of this triangle pattern, and at this support we took the trade, but it fell, and our stop loss was below this wick. And you can see guys, the stock came down, it took our stop loss and then formed a bullish candle over here, and it is respecting this trend line. So there is a possibility that Grasim can still move up, but it took away a stop loss. So that does not mean, like, if this happens with you, you just don't have to get this thought, okay, this time stock took away my stop loss, next time I'll don't keep my stop loss and I'll just wait the stock to go in my side and then I'll put stop loss. Guys, we don't have to do that. We have to always keep a system stop loss, because there was a high chance that if this stock given a close below the 382 levels, it could have come more down around this level, 1370 levels. So guys, we don't have to wait for so long, and that's not an issue. So now if it has formed a bullish candle, again if it forms a green candle over here, I can again re-enter in this stock with the same stop loss below this wick and wait for my target. Like, it is going to be obviously more than 1:1.5 or 1:2, so all my losses will be recovered. So you don't have to worry, let your stop losses hit, but you have to still keep the stop loss. You should never avoid the stop loss. So this was it guys, this was my analysis on HDFC Bank. So again sharing the analysis, again sharing the confirmations with you. On the daily time frame, HDFC Bank has formed a double bottom pattern and it has given a breakout as well. Now it is currently trading at the neckline of the double bottom pattern, and secondly, it has formed a channel pattern on the 60 minutes time frame. It has given the breakout as well. And the third point is, it is taking support at the Fibo 0.5 levels, so that's considered to be a healthy retracement point. So this was it guys. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you like my content. If you like, or if you have learned anything from this video, please like, share and subscribe this video. Press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload the video guys. Thank you so much.